everyone, greetings from National Skills Network. This is Madhuri and I'm here today to share a personal story about NSN. You can call it the founder story as well. And the occasion is that we are very soon completing 10 years and I'm very excited to tell you a bit about myself and why I started NSN. The decision to embark on this journey of the unknown was sometime in March 2015 when I was undergoing a surgery and I was about to be taken into the operation theatre. So lying on the stretcher, many thoughts crossed my mind, and one of them was my unfulfilled desire to make use of my PhD, my doctoral research, and do something which is really meaningful and impactful in the world of education, and my love for promoting skills and applied education, which I have also done earlier in many ways. And I wanted to bring this together, and of course my strong belief and faith in the future of technology and how things will change, and so we have been digital. So that was the moment when I decided, and then I didn't look back. And fortunately I have had a lot of help and support from friends and family to carry this forward, and of course my team, entire team which has been with me over the years. The intellectual backdrop for NSN as a digital platform, a comprehensive portal, actually is my PhD thesis. Research which I did in curriculum studies using ethnographic methods, it kind of gave me a framework to think about various issues which are there in terms of skilling, applied learning, vocational education in India. So I would say that my PhD thesis, and also with that my book on e-learning, also gave me the confidence that I can start on something and bring it to a closure. My first technical skill was learning to use a typewriter. Like in those days, all of us found this as one of the ways to skill ourselves and explore options for jobs and some way to have a sustainable livelihood. Today I can say that that skill had always given me an advantage or an edge over others when we moved on to using desktop computers and laptop computers, because I found myself to be really good at speed, accuracy, and even today I cherish this memory, and I have my portable Remington with me. This is the website. You can see here that we tried to bring in all the stakeholders, and it's a rather unique portal or a hub, you can say, where we provide all the information, knowledge, and also we are able to connect lots of people. I can't help thanking my team enough on this occasion. So here are my team members who have been with me throughout this journey, and of course our advisors Rajesh and Sandeep. So we have been extremely careful about the quality, the consistency, the discipline, and the content calendar that we have, especially for our e-magazine that we send out every fortnight. Also promoting vocational and work integrated education, not only in India, but fortunately we have had good recognition and visibility in other countries. So I just shared the story of how I tried to bring my doctoral research, my work experience, my hobbies, and my love for technology and put them all together. It was like a confluence which shaped up as the digital platform of NSN. And we have also tried to engage and enlighten and do a lot of things which strengthen the skilling and vocational education system in India. So before I close, I just would like to share these few lines from Majroo Sultanpuri, a poet and a lyricist. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Thank you all for being with us and sharing this journey of roller coaster kind of a journey where there were ups, downs, and so many in betweens. I'm glad we survived. So thanks once again.